Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by removing obvious resource drains so Fortnite can run cleanly. Close background apps and services in Task Manager, then set your power plan to high performance and plug in the laptop. Don't rely on battery modes. Next, update your GPU driver and Windows so the game uses current optimizations. Once done, reboot to ensure drivers load. Make sure Windows Game Mode is on and disable overlays like Discord/GeForce Experience before launching to stop sudden frame drops. You now tune Fortnite and system settings for steady FPS. Open Fortnite video settings, choose performance mode or reduce render resolution to 100% or 0. 8 when necessary, and turn off shadows, motion blur, and expensive post-processing. Adjust view distance to balance visibility and CPU load. Cap your FPS slightly above your monitor refresh or use GPU-specific low-latency settings. Disable VSync if you need responsiveness. Also set Windows graphics settings to prioritize Fortnite. Finish by validating stability and addressing hardware causes. Monitor CPU/GPU temps while playing. If temps exceed safe limits, clean dust, improve airflow, or reapply thermal paste to lower throttling. If stutters persist, perform a clean install of your GPU driver and test again. Run memory and disk checks. Use memtest for RAM and check SSD health. If you still see drop FPS, record a short gameplay clip and check logs so you can target drivers, overheating, or background tasks specifically.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.